So how to format pen drive or flash drive on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? If you already have Type C, then okay. If you don't have Type C or USB type, then you need to use this kind of converter. So now insert your pen drive into your mobile. So once done, now open your go to your Samsung My File. Then you can see your pen drive is available here. This one, make sure, and to format it, press on this three dotted line, then press on format, press on format. Now it's formatting. USB flash drive format successfully. Now if you go to your pen drive, all files. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.